The Geely brand has officially launched in Ghana. Yay! This event took place at their new showroom on the Graphic Road, right beside Japan Motors. Now, for those unfamiliar with the brand, Geely is one of China's most successful automakers, and they have been making waves globally. They own big names like Volvo, and they even hold a stake in Daimler. Known for their cutting-edge designs, smart technology, and a reputation for safety, Geely has arrived with a bang, and I had the chance to capture the excitement and experience firsthand. We were welcomed in style with the vibrant beats of the kitty dancers. The energy was high as we stepped into the venue, filled with prominent figures, all waiting to see what Geely has in store for Ghana. I saw this intriguing cube displaying information about the cars we are about to see. Geely didn't just launch the brand, they unveiled 3 incredible cars for the Ghanaian market. Alright, let's see them. First up, the Geely CoolRay. This car's design is bold and youthful, with sleek sporty lines that grab attention. Inside, the CoolRay has a contemporary dashboard that flows seamlessly into the center console. The dials feel and look like they have been taken straight out of a fighter jet cockpit. The CoolRay is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, cranking out 171 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque. This is paired with a 7-speed automatic gearbox, which sends all the power to the front wheels. Talk about features, the CoolRay has a plethora of them. The CoolRay has a self-parking system. Yep, it scans for a suitable parking spot and parks itself. No driver input needed. Unfortunately, my camera's battery ran out during the demo, so we'll have to save the full review for later. But trust me, this car brings a lot of fun and ease to driving. One more thing to love, the CoolRay is the only one of the 3 models assembled right here in Ghana. So, it's not just a new car, it's part of the Assembled in Ghana family. Next up, we have the GX3 Pro. Doesn't that name sound like a love child between the Terminator and the Apple gadget? The car totally lives up to that. The GX3 Pro is solid, functional, and a no-nonsense city car with a solid build that's ready to take on the urban landscape. It comes with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing only 76 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque. It may not seem like much, but this car is built for the city and gives you practicality and efficiency with every ride. And finally, Geely's flagship, the StayRay. This luxury crossover SUV has all the presence and premium features you'd expect from a flagship model. The exterior has a Geely blend of curves and lines that makes the car beautiful, with the Geely emblem embedded in the front lighting system. Subtle, yet striking, especially in the dark. With the same 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine as the CoolRay, it delivers 171 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. Luxury, some say, is defined by space and light, and the StayRay's design nails it. Step inside and you will find a massive touchscreen interface loaded with all the high-tech goodies. The gear lever sparkles with a diamond-like finish, and the digital dashboard puts you in control. And the heads-up display, gives you your speed and key info without taking your eyes off the road. The StayRay is all about making every journey comfortable, stylish, and filled with convenience. Geely claims their vehicles are highly fuel efficient and they have set prices that are a real bargain, making quality and luxury accessible here in Ghana. It's clear they are committed to making a mark with more models to come and a long-term vision to support the Ghanaian automobile industry. We can't wait to see what the future holds with these new players on our roads. As I wrote on their board of good wishes, welcome Geely.
Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. If you are new to the channel, be sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an update when I release a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.